Hey guys, hey Chomizam, welcome back to another day in Johannesburg. Guys, there's just been a lot happening while I'm in Johannesburg. It is too early, very early. You're not going anywhere, sweethearts.
No, I'm representing them today. They have an aunt nearby today.
Themselves, no, because when she said that,
Una one, una two, una 40, una.
Thank you.
Oh,
This is so sweet. Thank you.
una one, una 45.
Wow.
But today, we went to celebrate my uncle the other night, and today I am going to see my best friend, Ayanda. Me and Ayanda have been friends for the longest time, since varsity days. So I'm going to see my friends. We're spending the night together. We're gonna do all the things that girls do. My eye is going through the most, but right now we know about that. Let's go see my friend. It's gonna be the first time she sees my car. Let's roll.
Shesha, besikhuluma manje already here. Tommy, 2 years gone, Tommy.
Wena
Gone. Ngikhuluma kakhulu babonke imoto nje Oh my goodness. Tommy, wow.
baza.
This is the best. It's pure.
Baza, Tommy.
I knew but you'd add something big on your train. I knew it. I'm not so. Shame. I'm gonna have the best 2 days of my life.
Yazin. I don't know. Solala live or train. Okay.
Now we go back to my channel. My melody was fast.
Touchdown.
Okay.
All the way from America.
Tommy, oh my guys, this conversation system made Tommy, this is so nice and so fancy. Quality,
They must not nyata you, Chomiam.
quality, today, not
Is the day. Hey guys, hey Chomizam. when you saw us, I had just arrived at my friend's place. And Sana, it's just been a whole 3 hours of tea and coffees and yapping here and there, catching up. Woo, child. So right now we are going out for dinner. The time is like 4:30ish to 5. It's almost going to 5. We're going to Main Lane, Amazon in Main Lane. So we're going to try that spot. And yeah, it's not gonna be a long night. We're just gonna have something to eat, and then on our way home I'll buy some wine because my friend doesn't drink anymore. It's been what, 2 years?
2 years, so.
It's been 2 years without alcohol. If you saw us from our varsity days,
Izinto sazizikithi mina uSteve Madden bafasi awubolekisi.
no.
Ungana ungithelele isikhamesi.
You guys heard that? Yes, Steve Madden, awubolekisi.
Awubolekisi bafasi.
That can never happen. It can
Awubolekisi.
never that. So we're gonna go to Main Lane. It's like 30 minutes.
What's the name of the
We are
restaurant?
ready. Amazon.
Yes. Yeah, we're going to Amazon. We're gonna try it out. Uzizo is gonna give you guys the review. Must be good to Bunjani.
Definitely. I will.
Ingathi strict nge
Dress code.
Dress code.
Yes. They were like no flip flops, no what. So I guess we are smart casual enough. But we'll do a proper OTD when we are there, I guess.
Yeah.
Because now we are not showing. Okay, guys.
Chomiza abangani bami ngiyanitshela ukuthi esanibona nginevoke mhlawumbe ngingazi bakithi. Sifani noma ningangazi nizongazi. Chomi yami le. Ngithi guys, like life is so crazy. Chomi siqedeleni esikoleni? Which year was it?
2019.
2019. We finished varsity in 2019. And now I'm inside my friend's gorgeous car. A gorgeous SUV. Yo guys, God is amazing. God is amazing.
All the time.
All the time. God is good. All the time. All the time. God is good. Ngithi nani hlala ndabangani beni ningagive up ama friendship kweni bafazi. Nomele abona njengoba nimnomelele lapho nomatsozeni emjolweni nasebangani beni nomelele sobe seningena kuma SUV ka. Ifana nami ni passenger princess.
Yes, the passenger princess.
The passenger princess engafuna ukudrive guys.
Yes, queen.
Yazini.
I'm sure ngoba usuphathwe i-heart attack.
Yazini yabona lento esibona la ngaphambili ngabe njengatatazela manje ukuthi ngizobenza njani.
But what is for the haps?
Ngisingemoto yamngana uyazi le TikTok sound etsena. Uzofika ngani yabo leyo ethi nizongiphumele emotini yamnganami nalethi ufike ngani enkantolo. Oh, ngifike ngemoto yamngani wami. Angazi esibani
Bona yesibashayise kunjena yena.
Ngiyisaba akuna nama-robots lana but le ndawo nje ngiyisaba. Sun kissed my babe. Sun kiss. Anyway, uzizobetshele guys ukuthi we're on our way to dinner. We're going to Osmo. Going to Amazon in Main Lane. We're trying it out for the first time. So I'm trying to figure out guys they are keep or as keep we just going to have how's the food, how are the drinks, how's the service. Tommy, I think we used to do something like that back when we both had YouTube channels.
Yes, bugalo. Nonsense.
Back when we both had YouTube channels, we samba kuma restaurant when the reviews in fast.
But we were never consistent.
That's never consistent ever since.
Yeah, I'm so mad at myself because if I had stayed consistent that time, friend, I'd be flying on 10k subscribers.
No, Tommy, it was meant to be. It was meant to be. Your content is so much better than that time now, and I feel like you know what your niche is now. so nje uyazi ukuthi ufocus in what kind of content you're creating. So nje kwasemuva emuva silamba nje ku-SUV la.
That's where we at.
Sivloga nge-Osmo DJI asavloga nge-Samsung. Pathan that time
Huawei.
asavloga nge-Huawei yazini. So nje like top tier content,
Everything.
yonke into i-right, imnandi, i-soft, iy'ngane zi-right, zigezile, zi-soft.
Yeah, Lane.
Bye yini guys, sizonibona
Later.
masibuye emenlane.
Right now we are cruising nicely.
Softly so.
Yeah, it's clear. In foot there's a lot of copyright music.
Oh yeah. Video.
Ufake flash ubheke uba ubona ingathi kuqhephukile na on the inside.
Kuphuma igazi kodwa ngazi ukuthi ngiyakalani. Ncane kodwa.
Ngiyasola ngilizwe ngathi liqhephukele kunophisi oqhephukile because izinyengo liyahwexa.
Kuqhaphukisa yini?
And sengena umoya kakhulu.
Mfazi kuqhaphukile. Ngizokhetha ngisho.
How can I lose my? I like the sun so much. How can I lose a friend getting married?
Sister kuzokwenzani iweathering? Jombuka how nice this is, mara behlami lana. So mad.
Ngothi AI makavula amehlo.
Ngomtshela ayikho into angayikhoni loyo. Ngithatha nalezi zakho ngithi look at my dates bafazi.
My view
On a date kind of nervous.
My view, your view. Nyanti lebhisi liqhaphukile nyani Jomi. Iwayisi livele lizoqhaphuka esipayisini. I wasn't eating anything. Huh? Liqhaphukile Jomi. That's my thing. The piece.
Don't see any nearby.
Is it open to everyone? I love the fact that it's cutesy. Now I'm worried to don't be cute. 1, 2, 3, go. But uyazi futhi masimenze somenza nangamabheki. Ngizomtshela masisa ngithatha kanibona. Sambe. Wena le it.
Njengoba ngani ukuthi yenziwa njani mfazi kodwa nami ngiyayifuna. Ngibusele ngithi twa.
Child.
Twa.
Hey, kothi konje ngithengikhohle ukuthi look. Thank you mama. Contemporary.
Ile buphile.
Yes. There you go. I am ready for my mains. I'll have the half peri-peri chicken.
Okay, with chips.
I'll have
a flame grilled short rib with
What other option do I have?
creamy mashed potatoes.
Let me do chips. I ate mash yesterday and Sunday too.
I'll have the short rib with mash.
My short rib, I see it's not that plain rib. So it's served like you know how oxtail comes with mash,
Like
the
the
gravy. But it's a good dish. You enjoy.
Yeah.
Siyakubheda.
Uthe umazi ukuthi wena efonini uthi awuzizwa kodwa iy'nsuku zase-DUT FM wavusa amagqubu.
Ya? Ukhona. So bengikukhombisa yena phela nawe kumele uzosivakashela la eGoli. Uthi uzomlobela kusasa kuseni siyahamba phela siyobhala. Bye.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap on a beautiful dinner date.
We're about to go home now, buy a bottle of something, and then we will go home. We will go home, have a girls' night in.
Of course.
Skhulile mos chomi, skhulile. Tina, we are going home
Yeah.
at 9. Yazini sikhulile. Sikhulile. Bye guys. We will see you tomorrow. Breakfast time. Good morning everybody. Good morning guys. Welcome back to another day, to another episode of Galavanting with my bestie. Angisamemezi. Hayibo. Wena? Topazan. So today it's currently 11 a.m. We are headed out for brunch.
I know that's right.
We're going out for brunch. We had a good night. I think we slept like at midnight, and then we woke up like at 7:30ish. And then Pawala.
Now?
No, they were the gold ones, yes. We didn't have water. We had to order water so that we can bath from Pick n Pay. So we ordered like 20 liters of water so we can be able to bath because the girlies have to be outside. So we are headed out to brunch. 23 on Hazelwood. It's around Main Lane. That area. Yes. That's where we headed. We will see you guys when we get there. For OTD. This dress. I don't know where my mom got it, but yeah, my mom gave it to me. And she was like, girl, because you're about to become a waff, you must stop wearing pants and shorts. I'm like, woman, my husband loves me that way. I shall not. But yeah, this dress absolutely looks good. And my chomi is wearing all black. But you guys will see the snippets and the pictures and everything once we get there. Later. matcha only lasted for a second. Yeah, now we're just gonna have. She's having a cappuccino, and then after that we're gonna go to botanical gardens just to take a walk, a stroll, take some nice pictures, and then we're gonna go to the pottery thingy to pick up her creations with her man. I'm gonna enjoy life. And then we're gonna go to Veliko, and I guess that's gonna be the end of our day together.
Many unbearable hours later.
Oh my god. Ew, smelling good. Girl. Ay, boy, amabele. Oh.
Yazi ngakusho sinazo uthi sinazo ayibozizo wena sintsweni namabele.
Exactly my point. Lalela. Ngisajike for izibona.
Asambe. Masambe.
Lalela.
Who would have ever thought?
Lalela. Oqala nje ngagcina angazi was it
2024.
Oh God, finally.
So me.
Oh, I'm telling you. Oh. Ngiphuma ngisho.
Guys, just a quick update. So I passed by to see one of my besties, and
Hello, I am not Zizo's friend. I'm Zizo's one of the best friends. Thank you.
and then how can I leave Joburg without seeing my girl? Like, that can never happen.